Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here solves LeetCode problems. Today's problem number 576 out of binary paths. There are an M to N grid and a ball. The ball is initially at the position start row and the start column. You are allowed to move the ball to one of the four adjacent cells in the grid, possibly out of the grid crossing the grid boundary. You apply at most max moves to the ball. Given the five integers m, n, max move, start row and start column, return the number of paths to move the ball out of the grid boundary. Since the answer can be very large, return it modulo 10 power 9 plus 7. So here is classical dynamic programming problem, and it can be solved two ways. One way is recursively, and second way mm, using iteration. I will solve it using recursion because it's simpler and more clear to understand. What we can do here, I will use the initial method find paths as a recursion method. So I will check if current cell is out of the grid. In this case, I return 1 and it increments the total result. So let's do it. So how can I check if ball inside a grid? So start row should be from 0 to m, and let's add not before. It means that starts row outside a valid numbers. Or second options, start column should be else between 0 and n and add not before. It means that ball is out the grid. In this case, return 1. So we found one solution. Second thing we need to check if we don't have enough movements. So in case max move greater or equals to 0, we can't move anymore. So in this case we return 0. It means we can't move, and now we inside the grid because we checked the boundaries above. And the third and final part, we need to find total of two recursive calls of all adjacent cells. We have four adjacent cells, left, right, up and down. So result equals 2. We need to call the same function 4 times. The same and n. Max move minus 1 because we move one step. And the last thing, we need to change one of two coordinate by 1, plus 1 or minus 1. And do it 4 times for each direction. Let's add direction. Minus 1 here, minus 1 here, plus 1 here, and plus 1 here and return this number modulo 10 power 9 plus 7. That's it. Let's check tests. Yes, it works. But finally, we need to add local cache, because if we have a large max move variable, so we can return to the same cell many times. And because we have recursion, it the final solution will be grow, and we will have a huge number of paths. So the local cache can help to decrease the number of recursion calls. So let's call tests again. Run tests. It works. Submitted. Yes, it works. Pretty efficient by time. That's it for today. You can see whole solution in the description below, and also you can find here a second option, the iterative solution using BFS and dynamic programming. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.